Got this unicorn set up right here off this breaker on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, I would have definitely taken this if I was up. But yeah, we already tapped into that liquidity right there, so still trying to see what it's gonna do. NQ's kind of laggy.
What's up, y'all? To be transparent, I am sim trading, and the reason is I was on vacation last week and was away from the charts completely, and I felt that it would be better to get back in the groove of things and practice before hopping straight into my funded account. And I figured I would still screen record one of the days and show you guys, so don't want to hold you too long. Enjoy the video.
NQ just traded into this 5-minute fair value gap. Get rid of this one. I want to see price get supported here, and maybe we can get in on a move up. As you can see, we wicked below this previous day low. Got some orders, and I think we're on the move up. I like how NQ is reacting off of this. There goes ES right there. Broke those equal highs right there. Let's take a look at the higher time frames real quick. Okay, that could support a move on ES. Low volume imbalance on NQ too. I've got the 15-second chart pulled up right now on Ninja. Never used it in, my real trading, but we're on sim today, so let me go ahead and try something.
Order filled.
See a tiny fair value gap we're trading into. Plus, I already think we're going up, so it's also very small risk. What is it like? Okay, risk in the bottom of that. 3.75. Crazy RR if this hits. But I'm probably getting stopped out right here. Kind of in this like little fair value gap order block thing on the 15-second time frame. Alright, this is where I would partial right there, first partial, second partial right here. I'd probably take full right here on my live accounts, and yep, I would be out. It's an 11 risk reward ratio, and that's still 5.5 right there. Insane. Let me show you guys my NinjaTrader chart really quick. So 15-second fair value gap I entered on, traded into it twice, put my stop right there, and here we are. I want to see price support this gap right here. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up. It's under this swing low. We're getting a nice reaction off this imbalance right here on the 15-second. There's also an imbalance on the 1-minute chart. So this is good, looking good so far. I'm probably about to get stopped out right. Maybe not. Ooh, maybe not. That one tick below the low.
Stop filled.
Never mind. Hey, basically covered around that first or second partial, so not that bad of a trade. I feel like some people will look at this as a 2022 model. We got this bearish fair value gap right here, but I think we're gonna move something like this and higher low, and then take liquidity. Basically, we're gonna induce some shorts. Price is moving exactly how I said it would. Well, at least halfway there, but I'm not gonna enter right away. I just want to see how price reacts to this area before entering, and Maybe I'll find something on the 15-second chart. We left a 15-second order block. If it wants to come back and tap me in, be my guest.
Order filled.
Alright, we tap back into the order block, and now I'm in this trade, hoping we get the original target. Alright, you see the order block, basically bottom tick that, because it took like a tick of drawdown. Alright, we're reaching back up into that bearish fair value gap. Took out the high right there. Hopefully we don't see a sharp move down. We traded through this fair value gap, but as long as they don't take out my stop on this run, I think they're still just inducing shorts at the moment. For sure we were inducing shorts right there. We didn't take out my stop, which is placed right below the swing, so which would cause a market structure shift, and we didn't shift, so I still think we're bullish until we take out that liquidity at least. Alright, so with this order block, okay, I want to see the mean threshold of this order block hold. I don't want to see price close below the 50% level. I don't know if this trade is taking too long for my liking, or if it's because I'm getting mentally drained from looking at the 15-second chart. I'm gonna move my stop up now, right under this swing, mainly because I don't think we're gonna go back lower, and I kind of just want to be out of this trade and hit the gym or something. Looks like it's coming down to my stop right now.
Stop filled.
Yep. Okay, stopped out in profit on the last trade. 2 trades total, $381 on the day. Trading NQ on the 15-second chart. Kind of crazy. The 15-second really has some opportunities, but
That's it for today's video, guys. Possibly all for this week based on the range day we just had on Thursday. I just wanted to give you guys a trading video because I was gone all last week. Anyways, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment if you ever tried using a 15-second chart. And subscribe to stay updated with more trading videos. Also, don't forget that Apex and Bulanox have extended their lifetime 80% off sale until June 12th. I have links and discount codes to those in the description below. And with that being said, have a great weekend. I'll see y'all in the next one.